Hello everybody, my name is Megan. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the channel, welcome back. If you're not telling by the title of today's video, this is my third update. I don't know, whichever update comes at the end of March, the beginning of April. I think it's my third update because like intro was in January, February, March. So yeah, my third update for my 2026 rolling project 10 pan. The way that I'm doing my projects this year, this is a dedicated project to trying to finish up items, asterisk, 2 things I'm just trying to hit pan on. Everything else I'm actually trying to finish. And it is like the more boring products. So like concealer, powder, foundation, you know, setting spray, stuff like that for my more exciting colored cosmetics. So like bronzer, blush, highlight, you know, lip products, stuff like that. I am doing a deck of panning this year, which I will have linked up top. Because I realized through years past that when I have a project pan, I hyper focus on all of those products throughout the year, whatever they may be, and I neglect everything else in my collection. So I have had a lot of fun focusing in on my handful of products right here that I'm trying to finish out this year, and literally getting to rotate through everything else. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on in. For starters, I have my Kosis Concealer. This is in the shade 1.5C. Definitely a little bit on the dark side for me. And I used this product, I forgot to do my tallies, 11 times this month, bringing me to a grand total of, we're just going to use the calculator because this is going to get a lot of numbers real quick. Grand total of 35 uses this year. If you saw last update, I did show you guys a little picture of like kind of what it looks like. I am not somebody who's going to pull stoppers out of my makeup, just to be very upfront about it. I've done it in the past. I don't really like it. I travel a lot. I always get worried that stuff's going to get just like gross. But I mean, pulling it straight out, there's definitely still some product left in here, but not a ton. So I fully plan to use this until there's like literally nothing left on the doe foot, and I'm sorry, the lighting situation is not great. It's like 5 p.m. So it's actually almost 6, which yay, we love it getting to be summer when we have light at 6 o'clock, but here it is. So, you know, like it is what it is. I'm going to use it until it's actually finished, but there's not a lot left. So I probably only have like 1, maybe 2 more months, but I also, when I use this, I mix it with something else. So I really only do like 2 little swipes underneath each eye, and like that is it, because again, it's dark. So yes, total of 35 uses thus far. Probably only have it in for another month or 2 before it is considered empty for us. From Fenty, this is my We're Even Hydrating Concealer in the shade 100. I used this item 12 times this month, bringing me to a total of 12 plus 14 plus 10 is, I probably know it, 46 uses. There we go. Oh, no, it's not. 36 uses. That makes a lot more sense. 12 plus 14 plus 10, 36 uses. There we go. There is a mark on this. However, we're going to get real close to show you. This line right here is actually from last update. I've been trying my best to measure. However, we did get actually a bubble this time around, which is here. So obviously I was off for my markings last month. I'm going to leave it as is though. I'm just not going to mark it this month. But this, you know, bubble is where we currently are. And, you know, we will go from there going forward. But just so you guys know, because I've been kind of guessing. So this is exciting to actually have, actually have a notable mark in the product itself. So that's exciting. Then from Glossier, I have my Wowder Loose Setting Powder in the shade G11 to G12. Let's see, this month I used this powder 16 times, bringing me to a total of 41 uses. We are so close to being finished, you guys. I definitely stopped using this as much this past month. Okay, well, not quite, because like I used it 16 times this month. But rather than like packing it all with my powder puff, I've been using my other powder in here with my powder puff and using this to like dust off the excess. I think I'm gonna flip-flop just for the next like month to get this out. because we are so close to being finished. This line down here, it's very thin, not super noticeable, but this is where we currently are. This was last month, going back months prior. But like we are so freaking close to finishing this product off that I want this to be done next month. I'm so excited. We are so close. I truly believe that this will be out next month if I make a point to like use this. Also poke snapping. But that's exciting. Okay, and then from Morphe, this is my Glow Veil. I've used this 10 times this month. This is the other powder. It does have a little bit of a glow to it, but I really like how this looks as like my under eye setting powder. I don't know, maybe I'll look back and be like, why on earth were you doing that? But as of right now, I like the way that it looks. So I have been using this as more of a setting powder, and then my translucent powder to like kind of dilute it, I guess, and like sheen it out, but just brush off any excess. I have been enjoying that. So again, this was 10 uses plus 25 uses going into this month, so 35 uses in total. This is what it looks like. We're definitely starting to, I don't really know if you can tell, but we are gradually wearing away at that Morphe emblem. I think that as I start to use this with a more powder puff style applicator as opposed to a brush, that will dissipate quicker. This is the current product that I have rolled in that my goal is to hit pan as opposed to actually finish off. Everything else that is currently in this project, like currently rolled in, my goal is to fully finish. This I just want to hit pan on, so we will see how that goes, how long it takes. I do think that if I like focus on using this once like this is rolled out, I'm curious. I want to see how long it takes, but that is my goal. So there we go, currently at 35 uses. Then from Bobbi Brown, I have this freaking thing. This is my Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Bone. This is what it currently looks like. We are so close to being finished. I truly cannot wait. This product does a good job. I just don't like it. I don't like the way that it looks on my eyelids. It looks fine once I like actually apply product over top it to like do my eyeshadow look. But it's dry, it's patchy, and I don't love it. But we are so close to being finished. I kind of thought maybe we would be finished for this month. But now I'm gonna be like, maybe next month. But I think I'll actually have to look at the picture and see like what my progress looked like after, did I tell you guys? After 14 uses. So yes, 14 uses this month, bringing us to a total of 14 plus 25, 39 uses. 39 uses, there we go. So yes. The end is in sight, the end is near. I cannot wait for that, but until then we're just going to continue trying to enjoy the ride. Then I have from e.l.f. This is my Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. If you've been around, I've had many of these. I don't really care for it. I don't hate it, I guess, which is why I keep reacquiring it, but I don't really care for it. So why do I continue purchasing these? Great question. But anyway, we are currently right here. So I would say give it a few more months. I don't think that this much progress will be made in the next month. If I use too much of this product at a time, it kind of like melts all the makeup off my face. So let's see, we're going into April. So I would say by the end of May, this should be fully finished. And then, yeah, we can move on to better setting sprays. But we are making some progress. This product I did use 12 times this month, bringing me to a total of 12 uses on the year. This did get rolled in last update. So there is that. And then last item for this update, we are not rolling anything in this month because we've not finished anything off, but this is my One Size Until Dawn setting spray, mini, thank God, because I don't care for it. I have used this product 7 times this month. I'm gonna be really honest, I don't know how much is in here. I have no idea. I can hear it. I'm gonna guess we're about halfway. That's my best guess, no idea. This is what she looks like. She's a mini. It's hairspray, shellac on my face. I don't like that. But I do like these paired together. I will spray this one first and then this over it. And I feel like it actually locks in the dewiness while keeping my makeup on. So that has been the best pairing that I have found for either of these products, but I don't like it enough to like repurchase these and like make that an everyday thing. I'm just gonna use setting sprays that I like. once these are finished. But yes, I would say, like I said, 7 uses so far, and hopefully, I don't know how long this will take, I'm being completely honest, hopefully by the end of like May, but I guess we will see. So that is everything. 2 short videos back to back. If you haven't watched my last video posted up top, it is my ranking my eyeshadow palettes by usage for the month of March. My camera battery's about to die, so we're just trying to really get through things today. I also don't have a lot of daylight. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for checking out my Project Pan update. Let me know if you liked it down below. I'd appreciate it if you left a thumbs up or a comment. I like chatting with you guys, so there's that. I feel like I should do like a question, not just because I don't know. We'll come back to that next time. Anyway, well, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, I would appreciate if you hit a thumbs up down below. Leave a comment if you feel inclined to do so. If you want to see me in the future, go to subscribe down below as well. With that being said, hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.